Welcome to Extend Office Excel channel. This video will tell you how to find and return the maximum or minimum absolute value from a range and keep the sign. In Excel, if there are some values in a column which both include positive and negative values, you can find the maximum absolute values by using the formula combines max and ABS functions. But in some times, you may want to find the maximum absolute value but keep their sign. Here this video introduces the formulas that can find and return the absolute max or mean value from a range and keep the sign. Find max or mean absolute value and keep sign. Let's take finding the max absolute value and keep sign as example. The formula that can solve this job combines several functions. Here I divide it into 4 parts to explain it better for you. First, using ABS function to list all absolute values of the values. This is an array formula. In some old Excel versions, you need to press Shift, Control and Enter keys together to get all results. Combine max and ABS functions to get the maximum absolute value in the range. (66) is the maximum absolute value in the range. The match function is used to find the position of the maximum value 66 in the ABS array list. Now you can see the maximum absolute value 66 is at the 5th row of the range. Finally, index function is used to return the value that at the 5th row of the range. Now, the maximum absolute value and keep its sign is returned. For getting the minimum absolute value and keep sign, just change max function to mean function in the formula. Notice that in old Excel versions, press Shift, Control and Enter key to get the correct result. For more details about the functions list in this video and learning how to use, please visit our function site. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for getting newest Excel information at first time. Click for more Excel videos.